Welcome everybody to how to tutorial. For this video of how to tutorial, I will be showing you how to download Microsoft Teams application for your mobile device. Now to do this process, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Once you open the Google Play Store, you need to tap on the search bar on the top, and there you need to type in Microsoft Teams. Type in Microsoft Teams, then tap on search. It will show you the search result for the application. Now you need to tap on install and wait for the application to be downloaded. This process is for the Android device. So if you are using an iOS device and you need to download this app for the iOS, you need to go to the App Store on your iOS device, and there you need to type in for the Microsoft Teams. Once you find the application, you can tap on the get or the download icon, and the application will be downloaded for your device as well. You can see the downloading process is completed. Now you tap on open. With that, you have successfully downloaded yourself a Microsoft Teams application. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the How to Tutorial YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.